everyone, my name is Hovione from Hovione, Senior Director for Strategic Business Management of Pharma Division, and it's great to be here at CPHI Frankfurt today to talk about continuous tableting technology and this very exciting partnership with GEA.
Hi, and I'm Jim Holman. I'm the Senior Director for Technology Management with GEA Pharma Solid Dosage, and I'm also very excited to be here with João to talk about our continuous manufacturing collaboration.
GEA and Hovione have been working together since the last 3 years to advance the continuous manufacturing of tablets through continuous direct compression. This is an enabling technology for pharmaceutical customers, a technology which enables compression and development times, faster to market development cycles, also a technology that enables higher product quality control, and also technology that enables higher flexibility and agility in manufacturing of tablets.
Yes, as João said, GEA and Hovione have been working together for 3 years, and we see it as critical that we work with a collaborative partner such as Hovione to increase the adoption of CT, or continuous tableting as we call it. By working together, we are able to deliver better solutions that are more customer focused and more driven for the market. From the start of this collaboration, where we have developed a flexible continuous manufacturing system based on continuous direct compression. Working with Hovione, we identified the need to have a system that was able to manufacture at low volumes, high volumes, but also fulfill the R&D needs of parts of the process, such as just the direct compression, feeding and blending, or with the compression as a standalone system. The CDC Flex that we've now developed in collaboration with Hovione is able to deliver all of these processes into a single platform that enables R&D all the way through to production of continuous tableting.
Hovione has been supporting the adoption of continuous tableting technologies already since 2016, when Hovione partnered with Vertex to establish a key capacity of manufacturing continuous tableting in the United States for one of Vertex pipeline products. Since then, Hovione has also established a second manufacturing line in Europe of continuous tableting, also using equipment from GEA, and is now also working together with GEA to deliver further expansion of capacity in the United States through the deployment of the CDC Flex first unit. And of course, as Jim mentioned before, working together with GEA for subsequent joint developments that will enable further cost effectiveness of continuous tableting technology, simplification of procedures, and overall improvement of the user friendliness of the technology in real operations.
Yes, so simplification is one of the key objectives we have for the technology as we do our joint developments with Hovione in a term we coined Simple CT, continuous tableting simple for all. We have a range of automated tools that we are now developing that we've worked with Hovione on. What are the key activities needed for continuous manufacturing? How do we make them simpler? We have tools for measuring resonance masses within inside our system, automatic tablet sampling, the spiking of systems, as well as automated development tools. All of these we're now implementing on our continuous systems, whether it be with Hovione or for the wider market.
Pharmaceutical partners can come and test some of these new joint developments that GEA and Hovione are working together to deploy at GEA's Development and Testing Center in Belgium under non-GMP early stage testing. And then following that, of course, they can also come to Hovione's facilities, both in Portugal and United States, to follow on and continuing the development and manufacturing activities at GMP stage.
So thank you for listening to us. If you have any questions about any of the content you've heard, feel free to reach out either to your GEA or Hovione representative, who will be happy to help you. There's information on both of our companies' websites, and we would be delighted to discuss continuous tableting and simple CT with everybody.
Thanks everyone for the time. Looking forward to engage in further discussions and take the journey together to adopt continuous talloting technologies for pharmaceutical manufacturing.